Good afternoon, friends. We're going to do afternoon group right now. So let's do our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job. So I wanted to talk about farm animals today, and this week actually. These are animals that live on a farm. Okay, we're going to look at this book first. This is called Who Lives on a Farm? A pink pig lives on a farm. Who lives on the farm? A pink pig. Nice job. Who else lives on a farm? A brown cow lives on a farm. What is that? Right, it's a cow. He lives on the farm. Nice job. Who else lives on the farm? An orange cat lives on the farm. Sometimes cats live on the farm. Who else lives on the farm? A red hen lives on the farm. What did the red hen lay? What is that? An egg, that's right. A hen lives on a farm. A tan dog lives on a farm. Sometimes you can see a dog on a farm. And this on the front is called a barn. You find these on the farm too. All right, so I have my picture here. This is my farm picture, okay? I see a barn and a tractor. There's a little bucket here and some trees, bushes, trees. I'm gonna put animals on the farm. Who's first? Oh, he's important. This is called a farmer. Who is that? A farmer. Yes, he works on the farm. Let's put the farmer in, let's see, where should we put him? Let's put him next to the barn, okay? The farmer is next to the barn. He's on his farm. Who's next? This animal says moo, and he's black and white. What is it? Right, it's a cow. Good. A cow lives on a farm. Right, let's put the cow. Oh, let's put the cow next to the hay because maybe he's eating hay. All right. There's my cow. So we have the farmer on the farm and the cow on the farm. Who's next? Let's see. Oh, this is a baby animal. It's a baby chicken called a chick. Can you say chick? Chick. It's a baby. Let's put the chick over here above the bushes. There's the chick. So what do we have? The farmer. Who's this? The cow and the baby chick. Nice. Let's see, who else is on the farm? Who else do I have here? This is a pink animal. It says oink oink. It's a pig. Let's put the pig on the farm. Let's put the pig in the barn. We're going to put the pig in the barn. Ooh. There he is. Look at that pig. We have your farmer and a cow, a chick, and a pig. All right. This animal says, "Bah, bah," and he's white, and he lives on the farm. It's called a sheep. What is that? It's hard to see, it's white. It's a sheep. Let's put the sheep on the farm. Let's put the sheep next to the cow. Ooh, look at our picture now. Farmer, pig, chick, sheep, and a cow. Cow, sheep, chick, pig, and a farmer. Nice job. Let's put one more animal on the farm. This animal says, "Quack, quack." What animal says, "Quack, quack"? A duck. Nice job. Let's put the duck on the farm. Let's put the duck next to the chick. The duck is next to the chick. Nice job, friends. These are all animals that live where? On a farm. Nice work. You guys did a great job today. We talked about what animals are on a farm, and we read our little book. Nice job. You can practice at home if you want to, okay? All right. Bye.